Alright, we are at the Browns Creek trailhead, about to find us a waterfall. Alright, so we are at the Brown Creek Trail, going straight up. I found a nice little shady area to rest in, but straight up. Beautiful day.
Where are you two from?
I'm from Maryland.
Kentucky.
Nice. You got the GoPro.
Yeah. There's some really nice locals that just talked to us. Said that there's a live music festival tonight in Buena Vista.
South Main.
South Main. This part of the trail's nice. I know, look at that. What's your name?
His name is Tango.
Tango. Hi, Tango. Another junction. All the wildflowers. You can see all the wildflowers over there. All the wildflowers. Right to the falls. Alright guys, we made it back to the trailhead and it's still a beautiful day. So tonight we're going into town. One of the locals said that there's a festival, so we're going to do that, do some laundry, and then come back and boondock. So I'll see you guys later. I just have to say, look at this tan line. This tan line is terrible. Absolutely terrible.